It's time for the Monoblock Monday challenge announcement. This is the lock you'll win. It's a UGR, 5 pins, spools. It's a little easier than the locks I'm gonna have you pick, so I'm not gonna use it for the demonstration of the challenge. What I want you to do is pick either an American and Avis, a matlock, a Mako, or a pack lock with your offhand. So if you're right-handed, use your left. If you're left-handed, use your right. We're not going to be accepting any feet videos though, so let's see how this goes. Let's see if I can get this a little better. So 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I might overset it or drop something. I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I overset it. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, just to show you, I'm not asking you to do anything I wouldn't do. But remember, there's 5 locks you can pick. American, Avis, matlock, Mako, pack lock, offhand,